more. Bring it that in.
Here, bro.
Oh, here you go.
Yeah, box up.
Alright, mate.
Yeah.
Round it off, that's why. No?
If you put proper socket.
You're gonna round it.
No, you got bolts this side, that's why. 20.
How the fuck is it this rusty, bro?
We're changing anyway.
Fuck's sake, even the suspension is that rusty.
Yeah. Put the light here.
Is it?
See that?
Yeah. Good technique. It's a good technique.
Yes.
Yeah.
First show the old parts. Yeah, now just put next to them. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you see? Black, all black.
Yeah, it's very dark.
Yeah, I know. Good for daytime.
Yeah, very good for daytime, bro.
Look at the difference.
Bloody hell.
Oh, luckily it's same.
Same, yeah?
Yeah.
Why? You think it won't be same? Is that?
No, we don't need this. Extra
Which one is that?
Yeah, these ones. They are not same, but they are aftermarket.
What, this? Yeah, go on.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not that strong, innit, compared to that.
Now, pick this one up. Compare the weight. If it's more weight, then it's more heavy. More. Which one is more heavy?
I think this.
This is more heavy.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
It's original, innit? That's why.
No, bro.
It's the same.
I think this one more heavy.
You think so?
Yeah. Slightly, not too much. That
Maybe.
can be more in quantity, but that's more strong metal, I think.
Okay, they must have improved it then.
Maybe. Look, original.
Part number, yeah.
Same, innit?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, perfect, bro.
Here's the suspension, which was damaged and it was bent. As you can see, strapped over here, which never made the car sit right. We just put on a brand new suspension over here, and he's rust proofing the car because it's rusty underneath. He's under sealing it with under sealant, making the car like brand new. Oh god.